Hey guys, today I'm teaching you 5 Spanish sayings that native use all the time just to help you sound more native. You know what I'm saying? By Fluent AF Academy. Let's go with the first one. Más vale tarde que nunca. Más vale tarde que nunca. If you translate that literally, means better late than never. It's when someone or something is late, but at least they arrive. So imagine, in my case, I'm still studying. When I finish the university, my friends come telling me, hey, por fin la terminaste, finally, did you finish university? Más vale tarde que nunca. Better late than never. Second one, estar en las nubes. Estar en las nubes. That means to be in the clouds, not literally. So, estar distraído o soñando despierto. To be distracted or daydreaming. So, imagine that one of your friends is you are having a conversation with that person, and that person is just very distracted. He's not paying attention. So you can say, "Estás en las nubes," like you are in the clouds. Well, what's wrong with you? Estás en las nubes. Next one. A caballo regalado no le mires el diente. A caballo regalado no le mires el diente. Don't look a gift horse in the tooth. Basically means don't complain about a gift. No te quejes de un regalo. No te quejes, don't complain, de un regalo. About a gift. So, as an example, imagine that someone just give you a new phone for free and you are like, nah, but the phone is too small, blah, blah, blah. So your friend will tell you, no te quejes del móvil nuevo, es un regalo. A caballo regalado, no le mires el diente. Don't complain about your new phone. It's a present. Don't look a gift horse in the tooth. Next one, tirar la toalla, to throw in the towel. That means literally that, but it means to give up. Rendirse, to give up. Rendirse, tirar la toalla. Tirar la toalla means rendirse, to give up. As an example, no tires la toalla, aún puedes aprobar el examen. Don't throw in the towel. You can still pass the exam. Next one. El mundo es un pañuelo. El mundo es un pañuelo. The world is a handkerchief. So basically means that it's a small world. To put you an example, imagine that you travel to Japan and you just run into your ex. So you say, me encontré con mi ex en Japón. El mundo es un pañuelo. I ran into my ex in Japan. The world is a handkerchief. So just because I have the feeling that this could be the most hard to understand for you, I will put you another example. Imagine that, I don't know, you take a plane and you go to Italy, and in Italy you run into your best friend, I don't know, and you are like, hey, what are you doing here? Like, no way, el mundo es un pañuelo, the world is a handkerchief. So, just to make it clear. And that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. And maybe I'm not going to be very active this week just because I have my exams on Friday, but I'm prepared something huge for the channel. So make sure to like, subscribe, and I don't know, everything. Just have a lovely day. Really hope that you enjoy the video, this short video. And goodbye.